Hello YouTube, in this video I will be unboxing and testing the new Pittsburgh floor jack crossbar from Harbor Freight. This crossbar is compatible with most hydraulic jacks that have a removable saddle, and this will help you raise the entire side of the car or the front end at the same time. Also, I got the new Daytona low profile hydraulic jack, and I will be unboxing and testing this jack on another video. Okay, so now I will see if the crossbar will fit this jack. I will have to use a 10mm hex key to remove the saddle. Okay, so this is the bolt from the crossbar, and I just want to see if it's the same diameter. Yeah, I would say it does fit. It fits tightly, but it fits. And this is how the crossbar looks like. It did fit my jack. It fit very tightly, but it does fit. And then of course you can raise or lower this saddle or platform. So this is how it extends. It opens up and it closes. And this is how it looks like when the car is raised up